Hi guys, Mark Donovan from HomeAdditionPlus.com. I'm going to show you a simple little fix I'm going to make on an electrical switch outlet that just kind of annoys me because it's not straight. And this commonly happens when you're doing a painting project and you remove the faceplate covers on the electrical outlets and you go to put them back on and the electrical switches or outlets don't line up perfectly as you're trying to put the faceplate on. You can easily adjust that. I'm going to show you how to do it and how to do it safely. So as you can see here, I have an uneven gap between this window trim and the outlet faceplate cover, and I want to correct that. And this often happens when you're doing a painting project. You remove the faceplate covers and there's some play often in the outlets or switches themselves. So I'm going to show you how we can easily adjust those safely, the actual outlet, so we can get rid of the gap in this particular case. And to start with, I'm going to use a contactless AC voltage tester, and I can tell that this circuit's alive. So I'm going to go to the main circuit panel and turn this outlet off. So I've thrown the main circuit breaker, and as you can see here, there's no power to this outlet. So we're going to remove the faceplate cover and adjust that outlet switch. So again, I've tested, the circuit is off. What I'm going to first do is remove the faceplate cover. And you can see here, there's a larger gap here than there is up at the top next to the window trim. So what we're going to want to do is take the faceplate cover off and then moving that electrical outlet of the base inwards toward the window trim. So I remove the faceplate screw covers. Take the faceplate off. Now I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Probably could have used a common as well. And then we're going to just shift that. And probably need to shift the top a little bit the other way. Kind of line it up, put the faceplate cover back on, and we can see here we no longer have a gap. So we'll just kind of hold that position and tighten up these screws on the electrical outlet itself, making sure not to have it shift or twist on me. Tighten at the top as well. Now we can put the faceplate cover back on. And you can see now there's no gap. I also made sure I didn't over tighten those screws such that the outlet itself would recess in too far. Now using my common screwdriver again, I'll just attach the faceplate cover back to the electrical outlet. Don't want to over tighten these screws or else you wind up cracking the plastic faceplate cover. And that's all there is to it. What we'll do is turn back the circuit breaker on and we'll just check it with our contactless AC voltage tester, and this project will be done. So I just threw the circuit breaker back on and we can see this outlet is live again. So that's all there is to it, to fixing crooked electrical outlets or even electrical switches and their corresponding faceplate covers. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button on this video. And if you have other home improvement questions, make sure to visit HomeAdditionPlus.com today.